Huepar's self-leveling laser level offers 2 points plus a cross line for a 2-in-1 laser. This hybrid point and line laser tool combine all the features of the Huepar line laser plus point-to-point plumb, giving contractors in the commercial and remodeling trades maximum versatility. This laser level offers cross-line accuracy of plus divided by 1/9 inches at 33 feet, up to point accuracy of 1/13 inches at 33 feet, and down point accuracy of 1/9 inches at 33 feet. Class 2 510 to 530 nm laser product. We adopt the latest LD blue-green laser unit. It is at least twice brighter than red lasers utilizing the same power source. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Self-leveling. The Huepar cross-line laser features the Smart Pendulum System. You are able to self-level on an inclined surface within 4 degrees. If the surface inclines over 4 degrees, the laser will flash to indicate you are out of leveling parameters. You can be confident that you are within the optimal leveling range. A secure transport lock protects the pendulum when the unit is switched off. Manual mode locks lines for use at any angle. Number 2. Fine positioning. Laser level offers cross-line accuracy of plus divided by 1/9 inches at 33 feet, up to point accuracy of 1/13 inches at 33 feet, and down point accuracy of 1/9 inches at 33 feet. We adopt the latest LD blue-green laser unit. It is at least twice brighter than red lasers utilizing the same power source. Number 3. Wide use. Huepar's laser tools can help you work effectively in home decoration, such as pictures hanging design, lining up some planters in anticipation of new decking projects, home refurb projects, wall construction, chandelier installation, mirrors, curtain rails, etc. Number 4. Various kinds of fixing methods. Strong magnetic L-mount with trip thread can attach the laser to any steel easily, turning around 360 degrees as you like. It can also accept a standard tripod screw to do height adjustment. Number 5. Intuitive operation and extra long laser lines. Just gently press the power button to activate this device. Easily project a cross-line laser with a plumb bob. Highly visible laser lines with wide 110 degrees horizontal, 180 degrees vertical fan angles. Easily seen. Long lines minimize the need to reposition the unit. Number 6. Durable and warranty. This laser level is covered by TPR soft rubber for shock resistance, IP54 waterproof and dustproof, shockproof, wear resistant, impact resistance, cold and high temperature. Customers can enjoy 12 months limited warranty but up to 24 months longer warranty if they become a royal customer through the product registration, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.